What is the one thing that makes a business successful? Now that's a question that has intrigued entrepreneurs, CEOs, and business enthusiasts alike for centuries. And isn't it a tantalizing mystery? What is that elusive key that unlocks the door to success in the world of commerce? Many of us have been led to believe that profit is the be-all and end-all of business success. After all, isn't the primary objective of any business to make money? This is a common misconception. While profit is undoubtedly important, it isn't the sole determinant of success. Then there's the belief that having a unique product or service guarantees success. But let's take a step back and think about it. In our rapidly evolving world, uniqueness is fleeting. Today's innovation can become tomorrow's commonplace. So, while having a unique product or service is a competitive advantage, it doesn't necessarily ensure longevity or success. Some might argue that it's all about having the right connections. But is it really? We've all heard stories of self-made entrepreneurs who started from scratch, with no connections or resources, and yet managed to build empires. So while connections can open doors, they don't define success. So what is it then? What is the secret ingredient that distinguishes the successful from the unsuccessful? What is that one thing that makes a business thrive, despite the challenges and turbulence of the marketplace? The answer, my friends, is not as straightforward as you might think. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's not a magic formula that can be applied uniformly across all businesses. It's a complex blend of many factors, some tangible, others intangible. It's a delicate balance between strategy and execution, between vision and reality, between risk and reward. Hold that thought. We'll uncover the secret as we move along. So, buckle up and get ready for a fascinating journey as we delve into the heart of business success. We'll explore real-life case studies, scrutinize strategies, and dissect decisions to unravel the business success mystery. The path to success is paved with curiosity, and the first step is asking the right questions. Let's embark on this journey together. Stay tuned. Ever wondered how Amazon, starting as an online bookstore, became a global giant? It's quite the journey. Amazon didn't just happen overnight. It's a story of consistent innovation and diversification. The company began in 1994 as a simple online bookstore, a business model that was quite novel at the time. But founder Jeff Bezos had a vision far beyond selling books. He saw the potential of the internet and e-commerce long before many others did. Amazon quickly expanded its product offerings, venturing into electronics, clothing, and even groceries. With each new category, the company learned, evolved, and improved. But it didn't stop there. Amazon introduced groundbreaking services like Amazon Prime and Amazon Web Services. They even delved into original content production with Amazon Studios. Yet, innovation alone wasn't the key. Amazon adopted a customer-centric approach from the very beginning. They understood that their customers were their most valuable asset. Amazon's focus on customer service and satisfaction is legendary. They introduced features like customer reviews, personalized recommendations, and one-click ordering, all designed to make the shopping experience as seamless and enjoyable as possible. Trust was another crucial factor. Amazon worked hard to establish and maintain trust with their customers. They ensured secure transactions, reliable delivery, and easy returns. Customers knew they could depend on Amazon for their shopping needs, and this trust was reciprocated with loyalty. Amazon's journey is a testament to the power of innovation, customer understanding, and trust. It's not just about selling products or services, it's about creating value, solving problems, and making lives easier. It's about being willing to take risks, learn, and continuously improve. Amazon's journey shows us that business success isn't just about a unique product or service, it's about constant innovation and understanding your customers. Airbnb transformed the hospitality industry. But how? Let's dive into it. Imagine being able to travel anywhere in the world and feel at home. This was the magic Airbnb brought to the table. It all began back in 2008 when two designers, who had space to share, hosted 3 travelers looking for a place to stay. The idea was simple, yet revolutionary, turning homes into hotels. What set Airbnb apart was their unique business model. Instead of building hotels or buying property, they built a platform where anyone could turn their spare room or entire house into a short-term rental. This model not only disrupted the hospitality industry, but also created a new way for people to earn income. But it wasn't just about the money. Airbnb went a step further. They focused on creating a sense of community and belonging among their users. They did this by encouraging hosts to offer local experiences, fostering a sense of connection between hosts and guests. This was a game changer. It not only offered travelers a place to stay, but also a chance to live like a local. Airbnb's website and app made booking easy. With just a few clicks, travelers could find a place that suited their budget in any part of the world. But it wasn't just the convenience that appealed to users, it was the personal touch. From personalized messages from hosts to unique homes, Airbnb made each stay a unique experience. Moreover, Airbnb's review system ensured trust and transparency. Guests and hosts could rate each other, creating a self-regulating community. This built trust and encouraged more people to join the platform. Airbnb's journey wasn't without challenges. They faced regulatory hurdles, competition, and criticism. But through it all, they remained committed to their vision of creating a world where anyone can belong anywhere. And their success speaks for itself. Today, Airbnb is in over 190 countries, with millions of hosts and guests forming a global community. Airbnb's success demonstrates the power of a strong community and a unique business model. So, if you're thinking about starting a business, remember this: disruptive ideas, a focus on community, and a unique business model can go a long way. So, what's the common thread between Amazon and Airbnb? Let's delve into the heart of the matter. Both Amazon and Airbnb have made their mark in the business world by understanding and serving their customers, constantly innovating, and building a strong community around their brand. In the case of Amazon, it started as a humble online bookstore, but it quickly understood the potential of e-commerce and expanded to become the everything store. Amazon listened to its customers, understood their needs for convenience and variety, and served them just that. They became a one-stop shop for everything from books to groceries to electronics and even entertainment. This constant innovation and customer-centric approach is what catapulted them to be one of the biggest companies in the world. Similarly, Airbnb understood a gap in the market. They realized that people didn't just want a place to stay, they craved a local experience, a home away from home. And Airbnb provided just that, a platform where anyone could rent out their space, making travel more personalized and affordable. They didn't just offer a service, they built a community of hosts and travelers sharing experiences and stories. In both these instances, the companies didn't just sell a product or a service, they created an experience, a feeling of belonging. This focus on building a community around their brand, coupled with a deep understanding of their customers' needs, is what sets them apart. Innovation is another key aspect. The business landscape is constantly changing, and to keep up, businesses need to innovate, to evolve. Both Amazon and Airbnb have consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible, always staying ahead of the curve, always surprising their customers with something new, something better. So when you boil it down, it's not just about having a great product or a unique service. It's about understanding your customers, continuously innovating, and building a sense of community. These are the essential ingredients to a successful business. It's clear that the success of a business lies in its ability to continuously innovate, understand its customers, and foster a sense of community. How can these insights shape your business journey? This is the question that brings us to the path of success. Let's start with the first actionable tip drawn from our case studies. Understand your customer. In the world of business, the customer is the king. You must not only know who your customers are, but also comprehend their needs, desires, and pain points. This understanding forms the foundation of your business. It informs your product development, your marketing strategies, and how you interact with your customers. Knowledge of your customers will guide you to create solutions that they actually need, and that, dear listeners, is a sure path to success. Secondly, innovation is key. In the ever-evolving business landscape, those who don't innovate are left behind. Look at Amazon and Airbnb. They didn't stick to the traditional business models, they innovated. They challenged the status quo and changed the way we shop and travel. They adapted with the changing times and needs of their customers. Your startup too needs to embrace innovation. It's not just about creating something new, it's about improving, evolving, and adapting. So never stop questioning, exploring, and experimenting. Lastly, let's talk about the importance of community building. It's not just about selling a product or a service, it's about creating a community around your brand. A community of loyal customers who love your brand, advocate for it, and feel a part of it. This sense of belonging creates a strong bond between your brand and your customers. It fosters loyalty and trust, which are invaluable for the growth of your startup. So engage with your customers, listen to them, value them, and make them feel a part of your brand's journey. And there you have it, the path to success: understanding your customers, embracing innovation, and building a community. This journey may be filled with challenges and uncertainties, but remember, every step you take is a step towards success. Remember, the success of your business lies not just in what you offer, but in how you understand and serve your customers, innovate, and build a community. Now go make your mark.